Stickman animation is the most trending topic on the internet right now, and today I am going to share with you how you can make animations like one stick, productive Peter, and the blurb, and you can earn up to $917 per month. As you can see in here, it is written estimated monthly earnings is $917 per month. And as you can see, the upload frequency is just one upload per week for productive Peter. And here with just 28 videos, one stick has made 25.4k subscribers, and the blurb has made 120k subscribers with just 84 videos. As you can see that they have made only videos of stickman animations, and so I think I have motivated you a lot for making this type of videos. And today I will show you the easiest way to make this type of stickman animations easily. So let's start with it. And as you can see, I have come to chatgpt.com and I have opened a free account, and here I will write just a simple prompt here: help me with a 30-second scene for my stick figure animation. So this is what I will write, and I will click on enter. So this is the scene idea which I got. The scene name is the smart shortcut, and in the first 3 seconds you have to get stickman walking confidently towards the staircase. It has just break me down scene by scene with 0 to 3 seconds, 4 to 8 seconds, 9 to 13 seconds, like this. So let's start with it. So I will now make the animation part, and to make the animation part I have come to canva.com, click on social media, and then click on YouTube thumbnail, and here in elements write stickman. Okay, go to graphics, click on see all, and you can choose any type of figure you want. So let's choose a figure for us. So let's use this one, and I will just flip horizontal, and I will just bring it here. So in the first scene, as you can see, it is written here, stickman walking confidently towards the staircase. And second scene, he sees a great giant sign, stairs 2 minutes, elevator 30 seconds. So I will create the second scene for him, and in the second scene I will just write here elevator. Okay, and click on graphics, click on see all, and here I will find several icons for elevator symbol, and let's use this one. Okay, and in the above I will write here elevator. Click on add a heading, and here I will write elevator, and as it was written I will write the simple 30 seconds. Okay, and I will make it smaller. Let's use 32 and just bring it here. Okay, and after that here add another one. Let's make this one slightly bigger, and this one slightly smaller. Okay, let's copy it and paste this one so that I can make to the same size, and here I will write stairs 2 minutes. Okay, and I will click on R to activate a rectangle, and I will just cover this one and click on this color and change it to transparent, and click the stroke style and keep it the stroke weight as 5. Okay, and just copy it and paste it here and bring it right here. and in the elements I will write here again stairs. Okay, and click on see all, and I will use this one, this icon. Okay, and just bring in here to the same level. I will download both the pages and click on download. Make sure both of them are in PNG and click on download. Now when the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload the designs which you just created. Okay, so this is the first scene and this is the second scene. And I will just make it bigger according to the canvas. And after that, click on edit, click on image to video and click on custom. Here I will write describe. In describe I will write here the character is walking in a horizontal way, and click on generate 5-second video. So due to high traffic in this app or the website, so when you click on edit, you can see a timer showing here to 5 minutes. So when you create scene by scene, you have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it shows 5 minutes, sometimes it shows 3 minutes because of the traffic. In the second scene, as you can see, it has two icons which I don't want to move and I want to keep them stable. So I am using the first picture again to make the animation. So I will click on edit, okay, and click on image to video. And here I will write the character is looking above and thinking, and click on generate 5-second video. So let's click on add video to design. Okay, now just crop it and copy it and use it here. Click on BG remover and now you have to align it. So I will just keep it till 1.3 seconds. Okay, and I will just duplicate it. Okay, and after that I will just trim it here till 1.3 seconds. So let's bring it to 1.3 seconds. Okay, so let's do 1.2 seconds. Okay, click on done. Okay, and in the second scene I will just remove this one by clicking on delete, and this time I will just trim it to from 1.2 seconds. Okay, click on done. And when you download all the 3 pages, so the page 3, 5 and 6, so let's download. Click on download, click on MP4 and click on page 3, 5 and 6. Click on done and click on download. And after downloading, you can see the end result like this. So this you got the animation for 10 seconds. So you got two scenes here covered. So you can create this type of scene by scene animation. And for the voiceover part, please use your own voice, because many times the AI generated voices are not approved. So I will tell you to safeguard yourself from any type of problems in the future. Please use your own voice so that you don't face any type of problem. Okay, so in this way you can design your own designs of animation with stick figure. So I hope you love this video, and you hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.